you, Honorable Speaker. Sir, if I may proceed with your kind permission.
You are allowed to move your resolution. You are
Thank you,
permitted.
sir. Thank you, sir. The Provincial Assembly of Sindh resolves that whereas the 14th of August marks the birth of Pakistan achieved through unmatched sacrifices and an unwavering struggle for truth, Marka-e-Haq. Whereas Marka-e-Haq, Bunyanul Marsus, reminds us that just as a well-built structure is strengthened by every brick, our national unity is strengthened by every citizen's honesty, discipline and dedication. Whereas the armed forces of Pakistan remain vigilant guardians of our borders, sacrificing comfort, safety and life itself for our peace. Whereas the youth of Pakistan must emulate this spirit in their own spheres by pursuing knowledge, serving their communities and upholding integrity even in the face of hardship or disability. Whereas Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, through his dynamic leadership and proactive diplomacy, has successfully projected Pakistan's voice on the global stage, strengthening the country's image, fostering international goodwill, and advancing our national interest at the diplomatic front. Now, therefore, this Assembly, number one, pays the highest tribute to the armed forces of Pakistan. Pays the highest tribute to the armed forces of Pakistan for their courage and loyalty. Number two, reaffirms that the true Marka-e-Haq is also fought within, through honesty, learning, and unity among all citizens. Number three, calls upon the youth to become Bunyanul Marsus, resilient, steadfast, and united in purpose. Number four, commits on this Independence Day to build Pakistan's future on the foundations of truth, service, and national solidarity. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Now, first speech by Asma Zahoor. Ji, please.
Honorable members, I would commence my speech with this quotation by G.K. Chesterton, quote, "A soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him," unquote. These words perfectly capture the spirit of Pakistan's defenders, as recently Pakistan and India faced each other in what came to be known as Bunyanul Marsus, Marka-e-Haq, a moment that stirred every heart, united every prayer, and reminded us of our nation's unwavering spirit. It was not just an encounter, it was a testament to Pakistan's strength, unity, and resolve. And at the core of the spirit, stand our armed forces, the guardians of our freedom, who sacrificed their comfort, even their lives, so we may live in peace. Ladies and gentlemen, Quaid-e-Azam once said, quote, "Without honesty, faith, and discipline, no nation can rise to greatness," unquote. And our soldiers embody all three traits: honesty in duty, faith in Allah, and discipline in action. Their courage during this recent clash was not just a military milestone. It was a message to the world that Pakistan's heart beats strong and fearless. But, my dear friends, our Marka-e-Haq lies within. For us, the youth of Pakistan, it is fought by our good character, good deeds, and dedication in learning. Even for those of us who face challenges, whether severe hardships of life or disability, can rise above them, because honorable members, our resilience is our weapon and our character is our shield. Allama Iqbal envisioned this strength when he wrote, "उक़ाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में." So we, the youth of Pakistan, must ensure that Pakistan prospers not only through the bravery of our soldiers and victories of our soldiers, but through our knowledge, unity in purpose, and resilience as a whole nation. And our Marka-e-Haq will be fought by our pen, our principles, and unity. So Pakistan remains forever strong. Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad. MashaAllah. The second speech is from Tausif Ahmed. Tausif.
आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ کہ آپ نے اس 14 اگست کو اتنے اچھے طریقے سے منایا، آپ کی پوری ٹیم. اس کے بعد صحیح 14 اگست پاکستان کا بننے کا دن ہے. ہمارے لیے ایک تاریخی، یہ جہاں ہم بیٹھے ہیں یہ اسمبلی بھی بہت تاریخی ہے، کیونکہ اسی اسمبلی میں قائد اعظم صاحب نے بیٹھ کے قرارداد پاکستان کی پاس کی تھی، اور یہیں سے ہم سب کھڑے ہوئے اور پاکستان بنا. اور میں اس میں بہت فخر محسوس کرتا ہوں کہ میرے دادا اس وقت اس یہاں کے ممبر تھے اور مسلم لیگ کے ممبر تھے جنہوں نے اس پاکستان کی قرارداد کی. اسپیشلی آئی ایم ویری مچ تھینکفل ٹو دا پرنسپل صاحبہ. واٹ اے لولی اسپیچز. اس کے علاوہ کتنے کانفیڈنٹ سے انہوں نے کی ہیں. اتنا تو کانفیڈنٹ ہمارے شاید خود دوستوں میں بھی نہیں ہوتا. اور جس طرح اپوزیشن نے اور گورنمنٹ نے مل کے 14 اگست کو منایا ہے، انشاءاللہ پورا سال ہم مناتے رہیں گے، پورا سال اپوزیشن کے ساتھ چلیں گے، اور ہم سب ایک پرچم کے نیچے کھڑے ہو کے پاکستان زندہ باد کا نعرہ ماریں گے.
جی ندا صاحبہ. جی.
Not a celebration of freedom, but it's a celebration of Marka-e-Haq. And especially جو ہمارے differently abled بچے ہیں, they've joined us as a proud symbol of hope, courage and true spirit of Pakistan. Their presence reminds us that every citizen is a vital part of our nation's journey. I especially want to congratulate you, the entire Sindh Assembly, the entire Sindh Assembly Secretariat,